Title: 10 Signs of Magnesium Deficiency You Should Never Ignore. Magnesium is one of the most vital minerals in the human body, yet most people don't get enough. Found in every cell, magnesium is crucial for over 300 biochemical reactions, including energy production, muscle function, nerve signaling, and DNA synthesis. But due to poor diet, soil depletion, stress, and processed food consumption, up to 75% of people may be deficient in magnesium. So how can you tell if you're one of them? Here are the top 10 signs of magnesium deficiency that you should never ignore.
1. Muscle cramps and spasms.
One of the earliest and most common signs of magnesium deficiency is frequent muscle cramps, spasms, or twitches. Magnesium helps regulate muscle contractions by balancing calcium levels in muscle cells. Without enough magnesium, your muscles may contract excessively, leading to painful cramps, especially at night or during exercise. People often misattribute this to dehydration or potassium deficiency, but low magnesium is frequently the hidden cause. 2. Fatigue and low energy. If you constantly feel tired, weak, or drained, low magnesium could be the reason. Magnesium is involved in adenosine triphosphate, ATP, production, the energy currency of your cells. Without enough magnesium, your body literally can't make energy efficiently. This can manifest as chronic fatigue, weakness, or burnout, especially if you're also under stress, which further depletes magnesium. 3. Anxiety, depression, and mood disorders. Magnesium plays a powerful role in brain chemistry and neurotransmitter regulation. Studies show that low magnesium levels are linked to higher rates of anxiety, irritability, depression, and even panic attacks. Magnesium helps regulate GABA, a calming neurotransmitter. When deficient, your brain may become hyperactive and anxious. Supplementing magnesium can have a noticeable calming effect, often within days. 4. Insomnia or restless sleep. Magnesium is often called nature's tranquilizer. It helps activate the parasympathetic nervous system, promoting relaxation and deep sleep. Without it, you may struggle to fall asleep, stay asleep, or enter the deep stages of restorative sleep. People with low magnesium often report restless legs, nighttime cramps, or frequent waking. If you're tossing and turning at night, your body may be screaming for magnesium. 5. High blood pressure and irregular heartbeats. Magnesium is essential for heart health.
It helps regulate heart rhythm, relax blood vessels, and balance electrolytes. Deficiency has been linked to
hypertension, high blood pressure, arrhythmia, irregular heartbeat, increased risk of heart disease and stroke.
If your blood pressure is creeping up or you notice palpitations, magnesium could be a missing link.
6. Frequent headaches or migraines. Magnesium plays a crucial role in vascular tone, neurotransmitter balance, and pain signaling.
Low levels are strongly associated with migraines and tension headaches.
Studies show that magnesium supplementation can reduce the frequency and severity of migraines, often within a few weeks. If you're popping ibuprofen regularly, it may be time to check your magnesium. 7. Numbness, tingling, or pins and needles. Magnesium is involved in nerve conduction and signal transmission.
Deficiency can cause strange neurological symptoms like
tingling in hands and feet,
numbness, sensory disturbances. These signs are often brushed off or misdiagnosed, but they may reflect a serious magnesium imbalance, especially if paired with fatigue or cramping. 8. Constipation or poor digestion.
Magnesium helps relax the smooth muscles of the digestive tract, promoting regular bowel movements.
It also draws water into the intestines, softening stool.
Without enough magnesium, you may experience
constipation, bloating,
slow transit time. This is why many natural laxatives contain magnesium citrate or oxide. 9. Weak bones and osteoporosis risk.
Magnesium isn't just for muscles and nerves.
It's a key mineral for bone health.
It helps regulate calcium and vitamin D metabolism, both of which are crucial for strong bones.
Chronic deficiency may lead to
bone loss,
increased risk of fractures,
accelerated osteoporosis, especially in postmenopausal women.
Bone health isn't just about calcium. Magnesium is the unsung hero. 10. Sugar cravings and insulin resistance. Magnesium helps regulate blood sugar and insulin sensitivity. Low levels are linked to increased sugar cravings, difficulty controlling blood sugar,
higher risk of type 2 diabetes.
If you find yourself constantly reaching for sweets, or if you're dealing with metabolic issues, magnesium could be a game changer. Who is most at risk for magnesium deficiency? Certain groups are more vulnerable to deficiency. People with digestive disorders, Crohn's, IBS, celiac.
Individuals under chronic stress.
Those who consume high sugar, caffeine, or alcohol. The elderly. Absorption declines with age. Athletes and heavy exercisers.
How to get more magnesium.
Best food sources include leafy greens, spinach, chard, kale. Nuts and seeds, almonds, pumpkin seeds. Legumes, black beans, lentils. Avocados, bananas, dark chocolate. For many people, diet alone isn't enough. Magnesium supplements can help, especially in the forms of magnesium glycinate for calm and sleep, magnesium citrate for digestion, magnesium threonate for brain support. Always consult your doctor before supplementing, especially if you have kidney issues. Final thoughts: don't ignore the signs. Magnesium deficiency is the silent epidemic no one talks about, but the symptoms are everywhere, from anxiety to poor sleep, fatigue to sugar cravings. If you're experiencing several of these signs, it's worth getting your magnesium levels checked or simply adding more of it to your diet. This one mineral could change everything: your energy, your mood, your sleep, your health. Don't ignore the signs. Act now and give your body what it needs.
Subscribe for more deep dive health guides, nutrition insights, and life-changing wellness tips.